like gold. I see that in many of my videos. Anytime it has to do with gold, and I like Austin Powers, gold member. So we have from the Gold Fuggler collection, Gnawing Terror. I've been looking for this one for a while. I actually tried to buy it like 3 different times off AliExpress. But one time it was out of stock. The second time they sent me a flower pillow instead of a Fuggler. And actually I think that happened twice. So, I don't know. Anyhow, finally tracked this thing down. So a cardboard box. I think this gold collection may have come out in 2024. And then here's some other figures from the collection. And open with caution. Nice cardboard box. It's easy to throw away and not feel guilty about. And then we have pretty much filling, well actually it's a little shorter than the box. You'll see the asymmetry. I think these things are hand sewn. So like this looks like an ear or a horn. This one you gotta manipulate some of the fill to get it up in there. Or it just wasn't sewn the same way, so it's not quite equal. It's like a medium length, kind of like a carpet. Yeah, it feels like a carpet to me. It's very nice. Nicely pronounced legs and arms. And then this thing, the eyes, you can see, they're actually pointed like 45 degrees upwards. And then it's got brown felt eyelids. You know what, let me turn additional light on here. I'm not at home. This is not my typical setup, of course. Now this is cool. The irises are not super huge on this one. And you can see the eyes have gold. The scleras are gold, they're not white. Very neat. But sadly, I think there might be some scratching or, yeah, scratching on the eyes. I gotta get some plastic polish on that. And also, this eyelid's nicely stitched, but this one is way close to the edge. So, that's unfortunate. Not the perfect one. But the highlight of this thing is the gold teeth. Look at this. It's got 6 molars. They're all gold-plated plastic. So, very neat. Yeah. And it's got a gray mouth of felt to contrast the gold. It would have been cooler maybe if there was a black mouth. Gold on black, but gold on gray is not so bad. And then we have 2 textured tags, one in Chinese I'm guessing. This one might be in Japanese. And on the back we have the English with the brand logos, 2024 copyright. And then your standard tan colored button with Fuggler TM on there. And that's about it. Yeah. So, it's kind of like a teddy bear, actually, the appearance of this, but with gold teeth and gold eyes. So it's very gold. I just wish mine was sewn a little bit better, and also, yeah, that's the main. It's sewn a little bit better. Oh well. Okay, so I only have one other one here. I'm not at home, so I have Captain Cardiac. And this is from the New Fugs on the Block collection. It's actually an asymmetric heart, and it's kind of hard to tell, but it actually has 2 pipes in and 2 pipes out, or maybe it's the other way. I don't know my biology, but very long shag carpeting kind of thing here. All right, that's it for today. I appreciate you guys watching. See you next time a Fuggler comes in.